Unlock the secrets of meal timing. Is the traditional 3 meals a day approach a myth or a must? Hello and welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of meal timing myths. Is eating 3 square meals a day the ultimate key to the health diet? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore the truth behind this age-old advice. Let's begin. The origin of 3 meals a day. To understand the concept of eating 3 meals a day, we have to go back in time. The idea of 3 square meals a day has deep historical roots, dating back to the 19th century. It was popularized during the Industrial Revolution when people had specific meal times due to their work schedules. This structured approach to eating became deeply ingrained in our culture and was passed down through generations. As industrialization brought about more regular work hours, the idea of 3 meals a day gained traction. It fit perfectly into the 9 to 5 workday, with breakfast, lunch and dinner aligning with breaks or shifts. It was seen as a practical way to ensure that people had enough energy to get through their demanding workdays. However, times have changed, and our work schedules are no longer as rigid as they once were. With the advent of flexible working hours and the gig economy, the traditional 3-meal structure may not be as relevant today. So is it time to reconsider this historical relic? Let's find out. The Circadian Rhythm. Our circadian rhythm is more than just our internal clock. It's a complex biological system that regulates various bodily functions. It's influenced by external cues, primarily light and temperature, and plays a crucial role in controlling when we feel alert, sleepy, and of course hungry. The circadian rhythm influences our hormone production, particularly melatonin and cortisol. Melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone, peaks in the evening, signaling that it's time to rest. On the other hand, cortisol, the stress hormone, peaks in the morning to help us wake up and get going. These hormonal fluctuations also affect our appetite. Many people experience a natural surge in hunger in the morning when cortisol levels are high, which is why breakfast is often considered the most important meal of the day. As the day progresses, melatonin production increases, making us less hungry in the evening. So the question is, does the circadian system support the traditional 3 meals a day structure? Or should we adapt our eating habits to our body's internal clock? Stay tuned to find out. Myth number 1. Weight gain. This misconception has been perpetuated for years. The idea behind it is that having 3 square meals helps with portion control, preventing overeating. However, it's not that simple. Recent studies have shown that consuming smaller, more frequent meals can actually be beneficial for weight management. When you eat more often, it can help boost your metabolism. By spreading your calorie intake throughout the day, your body can efficiently burn calories without feeling the need to store excess energy as fat. This approach can also prevent those deadly energy crashes and the urge to reach for unhealthy snacks. It's essential to understand that it's not just about the number of meals, but the quality and quantity of the food you consume. The key is to strike a balance and ensure that you're meeting your body's nutritional needs while maintaining a healthy calorie balance. Myth number 2. Blood sugar stability. This myth suggests that by sticking of 3 meals, you can maintain steady blood sugar levels. While it's true that stable blood sugar is crucial for overall health, the number of meals isn't the sole determinant. The most important factor for blood sugar stability is the composition of your meals. Consuming balanced meals that include carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats is the key to preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. In fact, eating smaller, more frequent meals can be beneficial for managing blood sugar levels as it avoids prolonged periods of fasting. By snacking wisely and spacing your meals appropriately, you can help your body maintain steady glucose levels, ensuring that you have sustained energy throughout the day. So it's not about the number of meals, but the composition and timing that matter most. Myth number 3. Meal timing for athletes. Our next myth is that athletes should strictly adhere to 3 large meals to fuel their workouts. While it's true the athletes need proper nutrition to support their training, the timing of their meals is equally important. Research now suggests that athletes might benefit from consuming a combination of meals and snacks, strategically timed to maximize their performance and recovery. For example, consuming a balanced meal a few hours before exercise can provide sustained energy, while post-workout meals can aid in muscle recovery and growth. In addition, snacks between meals can provide athletes with the necessary nutrients and energy to maintain peak performance throughout the day. It's not just about the quantity of food, it's about the quality and timing of what athletes eat that truly matters in optimizing their training and competition performance. Meal frequency and metabolism. Does meal frequency have a significant impact on metabolism? Research indicates that it's not the frequency of meals that plays a major role in metabolism, but rather than total daily calorie intake and the quality of those calories. Eating does raise your metabolic rate temporarily due to the thermic effect of food TEF, which is the energy expanded during digestion. However, the increase in TEF from eating more frequent, smaller meals compared to the traditional 3 meals a day plan is relatively minor. It's not enough to make a substantial difference in weight management. The key to the healthy metabolism lies in the maintaining a balanced diet and staying active. A combination of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and a balanced diet that meets your energy needs is more influential in keeping your metabolism in check than simply adjusting meal frequency. Understanding these metabolic principles allows you to make informed choices about your meal timing and overall dietary habits. Benefits of frequent meals. Embracing more frequent meals offers numerous advantages. Firstly, it aids in better appetite control. Smaller, well-timed meals help curb craving and prevent overeating by maintaining a steady level of fullness throughout the day. Secondly, it provides consistent energy levels, eliminating the mid-afternoon energy slump and keeping you alert and focused. Lastly, it enhances nutrient absorption. By spreading your nutrient intake across the day, your body efficiently utilizes the vitamins and minerals, promoting overall health and well-being. These benefits make a strong case for considering frequent meals as part of your daily routine. The importance of listening to your body. Regardless of meal timing, it's crucial to listen to your body's cues. Some days, you might need more meals, while on others, fewer will suffice. Your body knows best when it's hungry and when it's satisfied. Intuitive eating is a valuable practice. Pay attention to hunger and fullness signals. Don't eat just because the clock says it's meal time if you're not truly hungry. Likewise, don't skip meals if your body is telling you it needs nourishment. By developing a mindful and intuitive approach of eating, you can create a harmonious relationship with food, respecting your body's unique needs. Remember that your body is your best guide to meal timing and frequency. Practical tips. So how can you make the best meal timing choices for yourself? Here are some practical tips. First and foremost, listen to your body. Pay close attention to your hunger signals and respect them. There's no need to eat just because the clock says it's meal time if you're not genuinely hungry. Conversely, if your body signals hunger, don't ignore it. Secondly, aim for balanced meals. Each meal should contain a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. The balanced approach ensures sustained energy levels and provides your body with essential nutrients. It's the key to maintaining a healthy, well-rounded diet. Additionally, don't be afraid to experiment with different meal frequencies. Your need may vary from day to day, depending on your activities, appetite, and overall well-being. Adapt your meal timing to your lifestyle and activity level. By applying these practical tips and staying in tune with your body's signal, you can discover the meal timing approach that works best for your unique needs and goals. The idea that 3 meals a day is a one-size-fits-all solution is, indeed, a myth. Meal timing is highly individual and depends on various factors like your circadian rhythm, lifestyle, and goals. The key is to prioritize balance, nutrient quality, and mindful eating. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more exciting food and nutrition content. As always, remember that the best meal timing approach is the one that works for you. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy eating.